easy.
Cool. Thursday, John. Back in the paddock. It is absolutely chocker and beautiful weather.
Unreal. Never seen the paddock as busy. I've just been to do a little job down Braille with some more media, and it just backed up all the way down to Governor's Dip. The pit lane's just hundreds and hundreds of bikes. You know, I've done a lot of TTs, but I've never seen it as busy as this. It's it's off the chart. Everybody's just peaking about it. And like I say, you touch base on the weather. Yeah, it's nice, really nice. Not so windy, not too much sun at the minute. So if it stays like this tonight, should be another good row around the island.
Cool. And obviously, last night was not the greatest of evenings for the TT and for us guys.
Yeah.
And you got stuck up on the mountain, wasn't it?
Yeah, we did. I got red flagged just after the veranda and just sort of cruised into the bungalow area, and there was Brian McCormack was there, Jamie Coward, young Lee Johnson and James Hillier, so it was a good bit of banter really, but you know, we were sort of gassing away about jeez, there's not much talking, I can't even get my breath anymore. You know, we just thought that the sun was really, really bad last night, and I've done a lot of mileage around here, and I thought that was the worst, got to be one of the worst I've ridden in strobing lights under the trees. It was shocking, and yeah, we all sort of agreed, and but yeah, funny atmosphere up there. We were sort of laughing and joking, but not realising what was really going on down at Balagary with Mark Purslow. So you know, condolences to the families and the friends and of Mark. We know what it's like. That's the flip side of the TT. You know, everybody's ripping along and having a great time, and that's just the harsh reality sometimes what happens. But you know, hopefully, you know, that's the last one.
What was the issue? So obviously we've ridden around here at the same time on an evening practice, and the light's been bad. So why is the light so bad at the same time this year?
Do you know what? Talking to some locals and just having a general chat, and you know, I don't think it's anything to do because I'm 50-year-old and my eyesight's on its way. My eyesight's pretty good. It was, we've not really had a warm summer yet, have we? We haven't really, you know, and trees get blown down, and you know, the leaves aren't growing over the like a canopy, if you call it. So it's just been like gaps in the trees, and it was just like strobe, and you know, Crosby, you know, like Balagary, of course, you know, Crosby left up the hill over the Crosby jump. Grieber Castle was shocking. Grieber Bridge was bad. Gosley was really bad, and then you know, you're not so bad through that other section. You come out of the gooseneck, it was banging your eyes. But yeah, it was. I just thought it was bad. You know, I thought it was bad. I'm not making excuses up for anything on my side. I just thought it was really bad. But you know, we pinged the 129 out. My out laps have been very poor. You know, my standing start laps have been average. Struggling just to make it handle on a full tank, or my confidence just getting into a rhythm. Normally was my strong point, but I'm pretty weak at the minute on my out laps. But my lap 2 was 129.1, so
yeah.
We're in the ballpark. And yeah, and I really enjoyed that lap 2, and you know, went for a spin on the old 600 and got to the bungalow. But yeah,
you were on the 600 at the bungalow, right?
We're all 600 sat up there, and
I've
never seen some.
I can't believe you described Lee Johnson as the young lad.
Younger than me. Is he young? How old will he be? Is that with a 3, maybe 2? I don't know.
Not 2.
Well, he looks about 12, doesn't he? So, but no, yeah, there was a lot of people up there as well, all on the tram. It's quite cool. The tram come up, picked a lot of people up, and then tickled its way back down. Next tram come up, and, you know, you just don't realise, you know, when you're in the paddock and you're that dialed into what you're doing with the racing, you don't, you know, people went up on the tram, which was, I just thought it was really cool. And it was lovely up there. It was really, really beautiful. And then the sun went behind the back of Snowfell, and it was immediately freezing. Cool. And it's a bit sketchy riding back on cold tyres. You're a little bit, ooh, everything had gone cold. So, but no, it was like I say, I was just with Glenn last night walking back to the motorhome, and it was 10:30 at night, and it was, you know, still a little bit of daylight, and a drop breath of wind, and surreal atmosphere. And I just said to Glenn, there's not many places in the world you're at a race meeting sat in your leathers at 10:30, and you know, he was still buzzing about everything. And yeah, definitely some funny emotions yesterday. A little bit up, a little bit down, but today's a new day and we'll crack on.
Cool. Good luck tonight, mate.
Cheers.